Guys, there's lightning over here. I know you guys can't see it right now, but something's on my arm. Yeah, there's lightning over here. It's not happening right now, but it just happened when I was out here. Yep, there's some right there, if you guys can see that. It's happening now. Yeah, I think another storm's coming. If it's gonna be the same one like last night, whew, I swear to God, bro. Yeah, there's like supposed to be another one tonight, which is confusing. There's none over on the other side, but just over here. I'm keeping an eye out on the weather, too. Hey, you can see the lightning, dude. Like, bro, you can freaking see the lightning, which is crazy. I don't hear any thunder yet, but, hey, do I? No, I think that's just a truck. There's a fly on me. Oh, the temperature changed. Sorry. Ow! Probably a fly just probably bit me. Ow. That could mean that it's about to rain. Can't you believe yesterday I was out in the rain? So, oh, I caught that. Oh, wow. Yeah, there's another storm coming. Sorry guys, I'm trying to itch my hand. Oh yeah, there's thunder. One, that could be thunder, or two, that could be just something else. Hold on, guys. Let me set you guys down somewhere. I need to itch really badly. Okay, there we go. I'm good. Yeah, you can see there is a storm coming. I will need to check Cake First Alert, just to be sure. Sorry guys, I'm just itching really badly. But yeah, I think another storm's coming. Just watch. This one causes South 4th all to lose power. And next thing you know, our bungalow over this bungalow right there, that bungalow right there, is just flashing. But yeah, I think another storm might be on its way here. I hear a truck right there. That's the truck that I'm hearing. But it's not a truck. But yeah, there's more lightning. So yeah, I think another... Oh my god! Sorry. I think it might be mosquitoes. Sorry guys. Just humid as frick out here, bro. But yeah, you can see there's more lightning off in the distance. If you can see that. Just, wow. We might get another storm here in Salina. We actually might be having another storm. I hope you guys are ready to see what's going to happen. Next thing you know, all the crossings turn on. Just while I'm filming over here. Another time, next time the crossings turn on. That would be funny. But you could see the lightning. It's just that vehicle right there that I'm hearing. Wait, what is going on? think a car's trying to turn over there. Dude, trying to film, why you... Like, the cars are like, I want to be in the video, too. Nah, bruh. The cars are like, I want to be in the video, too. That's crazy. I'm like, that's crazy. But yeah, the lightning's like right over here. There's none over on that side yet. Yeah, it's all over here is where the lightning is. So yeah, I think we might have another storm system coming through. Oh shoot, I'm zoomed in. Crap. There. Sorry. I was zoomed in. But yeah, I wanted to film this. I was like, oh, another storm's coming. Yeah. But yeah, Tuesday we'll do Crawford and Prescott, just to tell you guys. It's because we wasn't able to do Crawford yesterday because of the fact that we had a big storm in Salina, and yeah, I was gonna get soaked anyways. Sorry guys that my phone was going nuts, but yeah, it's not my fault. But yeah, I'll just let this lightning go, and then I can just figure out if we have another storm system coming through. So, yeah. I will let you guys be, and I will catch you guys back here after a little while. So, yeah. After a little while, we'll catch back in.